Okay, this is a project E1925. This is refactor project from the E1855. It's a GitHub metrics integration project. Our project is to implement the GitHub metrics that extract GitHub metadata of the submit repository and pull request. Here is our wiki page. You can see there is a lot of the data that we gonna collect from this functionality. This is our team. 帅王、子维吴、郝路、于汉成, and the mentor is 郑维虎. So why we gonna do this project to refactor the previous project? Just because the previous project they have the almost have the correct functionality of this GitHub metrics, but they have a lot of the redundant code, and they put the code on the wrong position. Basically, they put their code on the previous controllers. So we need to move all of this code, refactor them into a new controllers, and make sure all the functionalities work. Also, they have some JavaScript code in the view, and from our analyze, this kind of code is not work and unused, so we just remove them. And also, there's a lot of the redundant code. So here is a code. This is a GitHub metrics controller. Basically, all of these functions is we refactored from the grid controllers because they put out of this code in the previous grid controllers. So we need to refactor them, and also we make sure after refactor this code and all the functionality still work. We did similar things for the GitHub helpers, GitHub metrics helpers, refactor from the grid helpers, and the view GitHub metrics from the view grid. Also, we refactor the aspect, the GitHub metrics controller aspect from the grid aspect. Yeah, you can see they just put all the stuff together and messed up. So here's some example that we fixed the redundant code. You see here, in the previous, they have a lot of instance variables, which is not very good for the coding. So we just put all of these instance variable inside of hash table. So right now you only have one instance variable to call all of this, to store all of these GitHub statistics. Now let me show you how this works. If you go to the expertise main page, first you need to set the server up by the real size. And in this expertise main page, you log in by the instructor 6 and the password is password. You go to the management. Under the management, the assignment, choose okay. For example, the final project. See here the view submission, and you can see there's a lot of the team project. Select either one, and here's the GitHub metrics. Just click this. You will see the tables with the submission timelines and the number of the commits and who gave the commits and all the details and the team statistics. All of this information are here. This is basically what we done for this GitHub metrics. Right now I'm gonna show you the testing. So if we run the aspect command under the GitHub metrics controller, it will just give Give a second. Okay. Okay, it finished. You see there's 0 failures. If you check the coverage from here, let's refresh. That's a new result. We got the testing results. You see here's 100% coverage. You can see all the testing data we have. It's already covered. Okay, that is what our project have did. Thank you. Bye bye.